if you've ever wondered to yourself, what scale do gospel guitar players use when they're soloing? We're going to answer that question today. All right, so we're going to start off in the key of A flat. Now, gospel guitar players, they often use the Mixolydian scale, which sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, flat 7, and then repeat it. Okay? But they also use the pentatonic scale, the A flat minor pentatonic scale, which you guys all know and love this scale. Every guitar player knows and loves this scale, right? That first scale right? Everyone's first scale they learn. And here's the trick though. You got to mix the two together. Like it's like you're playing both of those at the same time. So that way you can get bluesy phrases like this. And it'll include the flat 3 and the 3. Okay, so really you're thinking Mixolydian as well as minor, and it's not like either or. It's like you're playing both at the same exact time. This is a concept I wish somebody would have told me earlier, but here I'm just giving it away to you guys for free. So that's how you can get like major lines, which sound like this, and then minor as well, and then major, right? And you can play in and out of that type of sound. Another little more advanced technique, if you want to add this note, is add this blue note, which is like the blues scale. Okay, so if we add the blue note to what we already have, we'll have this. So then we have all those note options. So right? We can mess around with that blue note. Gives us a really nice flavor. That sharp 4 or flat 5. Okay, so I want you to understand that we're not playing just major and just minor. We are playing both at the exact same time. And it's like I'm visualizing both on the neck. Right? So then we can play lines that are major, that are minor, major, Mixolydian, major, minor, and end right there, right? Okay? And you could speed this stuff up too as you are playing, depending on if you're playing a shout or depending if you're playing, quartet, little groove, doesn't matter. Okay. Honestly, this style of thinking works in a lot of music. Like if you're playing a John Mayer song or if you're playing, any type of rock music, like this style of thinking isn't just limited to, gospel and R&B. It's actually just how you could think about the guitar as well. I hope this is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, because this can be a confusing topic for some people. I would say to quiz yourself, try playing in different keys. Like today we covered A flat, but you could cover F or you could cover E flat. Just kind of go through the keys. Especially, I find that the way I remember things the most is if you do keys of songs that you're currently working on. So if you're working on the song and it's in the key of D, like just work on this exercise as well in the key of D. Kind of bundle all that information together, and your brain won't have to work so hard. Thank you so much for being a part of this community. This community would be nothing without you. So thank you. I will see you very soon.